Thanks, Vivek, and welcome back to the Weather Center, everyone. Here's what the weather is going to be doing for the rest of your Thursday. Right now, we have quite a lot of cloud covering much of KwaZulu-Natal and also parts of the Eastern Cape coastal areas where we are seeing light rain and drizzle in some places. So, wet roads for you as you drive to the office this morning. However, it's going to become dry later on for these parts of the country. And for the rest of South Africa, we are going to see just a bit of cloud popping up in the afternoon around Gauteng and also the eastern parts of the Free State and over the Mpumalanga Highveld. It will be mostly sunny for the western and southern areas. Another pretty warm day is forecast for the northeastern sections and the interior of KwaZulu-Natal. It will also be warm for the northern parts of the Northern Cape this afternoon, but mild for the southern areas and cooler as we go towards the western sections of the northern and western Cape provinces. And that's thanks to this cold front, which is going to hit these parts of the country later on this afternoon, introducing cloudy, rainy and breezy conditions along the southwest coastline and also over parts of the west coast. Now, here's a look at the chance of you seeing wet weather coming your way this Thursday. We are expecting up to a 40% chance of light rain and drizzle for parts of the Eastern Cape coastal areas and along the KZN coast and the adjacent interior, and just a 20% chance of rain as we go into the interior of KwaZulu-Natal. But like I said earlier, things are going to dry out over these areas later on. However, this afternoon we are going to have up to 60% chance of rain along the southwest coastline, including around Cape Town. So wet roads for your evening commute if you are in the mother city, and the chance of precipitation is going to be smaller in the areas highlighted by the lighter shades of blue. And here's a look at the temperatures that you are going to get out to this morning. It's going to be freezing around Appington, Kimberley and DR. Below freezing temperatures are expected this morning for Sutherland and around Graafrenet, a minimum of 10 for Cape Town. It will also be pretty chilly for Port Elizabeth and around Bishop, but rather warm for the KZN coastal areas and across eastern Mpumalanga and Limpopo. A minimum of 11 is expected for Johannesburg, with Mahikeng seeing a low temperature of 12 degrees. Then this afternoon, it's going to be pretty warm over the northeastern areas. It's going to be feeling more like summer in most areas, with highs in the upper 20s and lower 30s. Pretoria, Polokwane and Mahikeng all peaking at around 29 degrees. 28 for Mbombela, a high of 29 around Ladysmith. It gets cooler, however, as we go towards the KZN coastal areas, where Durban should manage a high of around 22. 22 as well for East London and around Port Elizabeth. However, you will need to plan to stay warm for the western parts of the country. Cape Town will manage a high of just 15 degrees this afternoon, with Sutherland peaking at just 13. Then on Friday, it's going to be cloudy, rainy and cold for the southwestern areas. Light snowfalls around Sutherland. A few showers are going to persist for parts of KwaZulu-Natal, and the northeastern areas will stay rather warm. However, it's going to be rather chilly for the coming weekend. That's all from me for now.